To troubleshoot Credit.com personal loans. Start by understanding the loan process and identifying the issue you are experiencing. First, ensure you have met the basic eligibility criteria for a personal loan, including a valid Social Security number, a stable income, and a good credit score. If you are having trouble applying for a loan, check your internet connection and try using a different browser or device. Make sure you have filled out the application form correctly and provided all the required documents, such as proof of income and identification. If your loan application is denied, review the reasons provided by Credit.com and take steps to address them. This may involve improving your credit score, increasing your income, or reducing your debt-to-income ratio. For existing loan issues, check your loan agreement to understand the terms and conditions of your loan, including the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any fees associated with late payments. If you are having trouble making payments, contact Credit.com customer service to discuss possible alternatives, such as deferment or refinancing. To avoid common pitfalls, always read and understand the loan agreement before signing, and make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Regularly review your credit report to ensure it is accurate and up to date, and monitor your credit score to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Credit.com personal loans and make informed decisions about your financial situation. Remember to stay informed, plan carefully, and seek help when needed to achieve your financial goals.